Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. If you are new here, welcome. So this was a Saturday night. I knew I had church in the morning and I had spent all day on my son's hair and my daughter's hair, and I had done nothing to my hair. And I knew I didn't want to throw it up in my trusty puff, so I wanted to try to do something different than I usually do when my wash and goes need to go. But as y'all can see, it was 11:30 at night and I was not about to wash my hair. So I said, okay, let me see what I can do. I'm going to try to do like a sleek low puff or something like that, a sleek low bun, something. So I went ahead and sectioned off my hair and got to work. So of course, each time that I am putting my hair into sections or taking out a section, I am being very, very gentle. I'm not ripping through my hair. I am going as slow as possible to get through, any little tangles or anything like that, and putting my hair in a satin scrunchie. So when I went to a natural hair salon not too long ago, I was told that I had high density hair. By the way, if you guys have not seen that video, I will link it in the description below. It's a really, really good video with a lot of great information. As a matter of fact, I need to book with Elaine really soon for my maintenance cut. But back to this video in particular. So since I have high density hair, I have to do this style in sections. I can't just kind of pull my hair back or pull my hair up. It has to be done in sections, okay? So I'm going to be using some Eco Styler for this style, and I'm also going to be using some of my Camille Rose Honeydew refresher spray, which is like one of my favorite products from Camille Rose. So I'm just going to spray that a little all over my section, and then I'm going to take some of that gel, and I'm not putting it on the ends of my hair. I'm just working at the root. I'm applying a generous amount of that gel on each section, and I'm going to take a hair tie and just hold that in place. I'm only going to just put it around once, okay? I'm not worried about tightening or anything right now. So again, I'm going to take another section, tie up that other section with a scrunchie, spray a little bit of that Camille Rose refresher spray, and then I'm going to take some gel and place it all throughout this section, just like so. And I'm going to take that same hair tie that I used earlier. And before I tie up the next section, I'm going to use my Felicia Leatherwood brush just to kind of brush the roots of my hair, brush it down some to get some of the lumps out. Is it going to be completely smooth? No. If I wanted it a little bit more smooth, I would use like a hard bristle brush, but I did not want to do that. I like when my hair shows its texture and its wave, so I wasn't trying to go for, a relaxed, sleek look or anything like that. So the Felicia Leatherwood brush did exactly what I needed it to do. And y'all, this was going on my third section and my arms were burning. I had to leave in the clips of me having to like take random breaks during this process because this is an arm workout. It was hurting so bad, but I'm like, okay, girl, you got to get yourself together because you can't go to church looking crazy, okay? You got to get this hair together. So I believe this is the fourth section that I am doing here. And again, I'm taking that Felicia Leatherwood brush and brushing that down to get any, like big lumps or anything like that in the roots. And to get it a teensy bit more smooth, I am using a rat tail comb and I'm going over the same sections that I did with my Felicia Leatherwood brush. And kids love prolonged conversations, water, and extra hugs before it's bedtime. My daughter was trying to stay up later than they already did, but no, girl, go to bed. So I wanted to show you guys this right here in particular. So when I moved on to the front of my hair, of course, I'm doing the same thing, the same routine, but instead of removing the hair tie, I'm just using a clip and clipping that section back, just like so. So of course I did the same exact thing on the other side, and now I'm going to go ahead and take out both clips and the hair tie that I was using. I have an additional hair tie, and now we're going to go ahead and put this hair in a low puff. So I'm going to go ahead and gather all of my hair back, but before I put it in that hair tie, I'm going to smooth it down one more time with that rat tail comb, just like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and wrap it around once with both of the hair ties. And then I'm going to drop one and wrap one of the hair ties around one more time. Okay, if I do it twice with both of the hair ties, for me, I end up getting a headache and it's too tight for me. Some people, you can wrap it around twice, 3 times and it's fine, but I don't like a lot of tension, especially on my nape. Y'all, my head can't take it. I can't take too much tension. It'll just start hurting and then I have to take the style out, okay? So now I'm just using a toothbrush, an old toothbrush, and I'm just brushing down my hair just like so. Y'all, I'm 36. I don't really do baby hairs and things like that, but do what you like. If you like baby hairs, you know, do what you do, okay? So one last thing, I am going to add a little bit of mousse. I'm using the Mousse Def Mousse, and I'm applying just a small bit of that, maybe like 2 or 3 pumps, and I'm putting that on my hair just like so, just a little bit, not too much. And then I'm going to use that brush one more time, brush it down, and then I'm going to use a satin scarf and a bonnet and go to bed. All right, you guys, so this is the next day and this is how my hair is looking. I absolutely love this style. Typically, when I'm trying to stretch wash day a little bit, I throw my hair up in a high puff, but the low puff, y'all, don't sleep on the low puff. It is super cute. It takes a little bit more work than the high puff, but I mean, it is just really cute. I love this style. I usually wear it for about 2 to 3 days max before, you know, I take it out and go ahead and wash my hair. I currently still have my low puff in and not a hair is out of place. And all I've been doing is sleeping on a satin pillowcase. I haven't even been wrapping it up and it still looks really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Do you typically wear a low puff or are you a high puff person? Let me know in the comments below. I thank you guys so much for clicking and watching as always. I love y'all and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.